Now this brake pad. That's how to fix brake pad. Okay. Let's watch this video to the end. So if you happen on the road, you can do it by yourself. No need to call a mechanic to help you. As you can see, fixing the brake pad now. So I'm barring the piston. The piston has come out. So when fixing a new brake pad, you have to return the piston. Yes, the brake pad won't enter. Okay. So I'm barring the piston now, so the brake pad will enter freely. As the brake pad will bind. Yes, you can see that the piston has entered inside. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Now the piston has entered very well. So you can see now. So you have seen it's entered freely. I'm putting the bolts. Okay. It's Toyota Corolla 2004 model, 2425 model. Please, if it is the first time watching my video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.